adjustable airflow for personalized comfort. Everyone's comfort zone is different. That's why this cooler features adjustable fan settings, allowing you to fine-tune the airflow to your liking. Whether you want a soft breeze while you sleep or a stronger gust during a heat wave, this device has your back. Electric plug, easy to use and energy efficient. Forget about sky-high electricity bills. This air cooler is USB powered and energy efficient, making it a smart and eco-friendly alternative to traditional cooling systems. Just plug it into your laptop, power bank, or USB outlet and enjoy the breeze. No complicated setup required. Soap simple to clean and maintain. Maintenance is a breeze. The water tank is easy to refill, and the filter is simple to clean. With regular care, you can enjoy fresh, cool air all season long without worrying about technical issues. Glowing star, why people love it. Saves space and energy. Great for small rooms and personal use. Easy to move from room to room. Adds moisture to dry air. Soothing night light included. Sleek, modern design fits any decor. Whether you're working long hours at your desk or just trying to relax at home, the new 3-in-1 fan air conditioner mini air cooler is your new summer essential. Shopping cart, final thoughts. A smart buy for cool, comfortable living. Why choose between a fan, humidifier, or night light when you can have all three in one elegant device? The new 3-in-1 mini air cooler is the perfect blend of form and function, offering powerful performance without the noise, size, or hassle of traditional cooling devices. If you're ready to upgrade your comfort this season, this all-in-one cooler is a small investment with big benefits.